In Karachi, especially in areas like DHA and Clifton, your home's first line of defense against the elements is a perfect waterproofing system. At Karachi Renovators, we don't just apply layers, we engineer a shield. Here's how our expert process works. It all starts with a perfect base. Step 1 is meticulous surface preparation. We remove all debris, clean with high-pressure water jets, and level every imperfection with a polymer-modified mortar. This ensures a clean, dry, and sloped surface, the non-negotiable foundation for a lasting membrane. This is a critical phase. Our masons expertly fill all deep cracks and holes with a high-strength cement plaster, leveling the entire surface to a smooth, uniform slope. This structural repair is the essential foundation for a flawless, long-lasting waterproofing membrane. Next, we apply a bitumen primer. This crucial step seals the concrete's microscopic pores and creates a powerful bond for the waterproofing membrane to grip onto. Think of it as a double-sided tape for the layers to come. Now, for the heart of the system. We heat our high-grade 85/25 bitumen to an exact temperature. Then, in a carefully choreographed sequence, we mop on a hot layer and immediately embed a high-quality jute felt mat with a mandatory 4-inch overlap at all joints. But we don't stop there. For superior strength in Karachi's challenging soil conditions, we add a second layer, another coat of hot bitumen, followed by a second jute felt sheet. This double reinforcement bridges future cracks and ensures decades of protection. A final thick seal coat encapsulates everything in a seamless black armor. Our job isn't done until the membrane is protected. A soft bitumen layer can be damaged by foot traffic and UV rays. That's why we finish with a robust half-inch marble crush screed. This protection slab is sloped for drainage, giving you a durable, usable surface. From the initial inspection to the final handshake, our method is built on expertise, quality materials, and an unwavering commitment to your property's longevity. We don't just offer a service, we offer peace of mind. Ready to transform your roof? Contact us for a free site survey today